Hi, so nabili ko tong libro na to, The 48 Laws of Powers. And as I read, nabasa ko yung yung different laws. This book is very dangerous. Dangerous siya kapag hindi mo ginamit ng tama. But you will become the best version of yourself kung ito ay yung babasahin. Ang favorite part ko dito is yung law number 13. So ano yung law number 13? When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. Kasi ako, I'm a kind of person na kung may problema ako, hihingi ako ng tulong. Or I will talk to somebody because I believe kasi na when you share your problem, then maraming makatulong sa'yo. Pero nung nabasa ko ang law na to, na-realize ko na, kaya pala hindi lahat tumutulong. Kaya pala mahirap tumulong yung iba kasi dapat when you ask for help, it should be in their interest. Dapat may makukuha. Yun, sa marami ka pa matutunan dito. So kung gusto mo to, ilalagay ko yung link sa